positive and proactive attitude. And while doing their duty, they must be loyal, be able to act according to the truth, principles, and safeguard and interests of God's house. Being positive and proactive is the key if you are always passive. This is problematic. It's as if you are not a member of God's house and you are not doing your duty, as if instead you have no other choice but to do it to earn a salary because the employer requires you do it. You are not doing it voluntarily, but very passively. If it weren't for your interest being involved, you wouldn't do it all at all. Or if no one asks you to do it, you absolutely wouldn't do it. Doing things with this approach then is not doing good deeds. So people like this are very foolish. They are passive in everything they do. They don't do what they can think of doing, nor they do what they can accomplish with time and energy. They just wait and observe. This is troublesome and very pitiful. Why do I say that it is very pitiful? Firstly, it's not that your caliber is inadequate. Secondly, it's not that your experience is insufficient. Thirdly, it's not that you don't have the right conditions to do it. You possess the caliber to do this work. And if you spend the time and energy, you will be able to do it. But you do not, you fail to prepare good deeds. This is very regrettable. Why do I say that it's regrettable? It's because if you look back on this after many years, you will feel regret, and if you want to go back to that year, that month, and that day to do that work, things will have changed and that time will have already passed. You will not get a second chance like one. When that opportunity passes, it passes. When it is lost, it is lost. If you lose out on freshly pleasures like eating nice food or wearing nice clothes, this doesn't matter much because these things are hollow and they do not have any impact on your life entry or your preparation of good deeds or on your destinations. However, if something relates to God's attitude towards and evaluation of you, or even to the path you walk and your destinations, then losing the opportunity to